Alright, Jeremy, so this is a mini Labradoodle. He's non-shedding, about as trainable as it gets. So not a whole lot different from Holmes, but no cocker in there. Just a miniature poodle and Labrador mixed. So there's a Dane puppy, so you can see his size comparison. Come here, buddy. This dog just doesn't have a bite in it. Weighs about 20 pounds. Super obedient. Louie, down. Good boy. Okay. Good job. So, come here, Plute. Couche. So, just so you can tell the size difference. Here's a Malinois. So, you've probably seen a couple of these. There's Dane puppy. And there he is. Okay. But yeah, he's friendly, outgoing, he's a tough little guy. Play with the big dogs, but not be overly rough or violent or anything. They're good dogs.